Hey, when we built Searchcraft, performance was one of the most important priorities. We knew that we wanted to build something faster and smaller than the other existing search engines, but we also didn't want to sacrifice on accuracy and features. So I thought it would be interesting to find out if I could parse and search all of Wikipedia on a Raspberry Pi using Searchcraft. I originally pulled this data set down last summer, and at the time they didn't offer a JSON version of the data, so I had to write my own parser and then convert that data from XML to JSON. So for English, it's a little over 4 million records, and I split that up into 50,000 record chunks. Let's go ahead and shell in to this Raspberry Pi. And I'll spin up an instance of Searchcraft. There's no indices available there. Currently it's empty. And I'll also spin up this little demo project app that I made. All this does is it sends data to the Searchcraft backend, and it spins up a front-end proxy using like a solid JS app that I put together real quick as the UI. It's just there like so we can test out queries. All right, so you can see it's starting to ingest data. It's ingesting this JSON file. As I said, it's over 4 million records, so split among 50,000 documents. That's 81 files. So this is going to take a little bit, so I'll go ahead and stop the video and then pick back up when this is complete. All right, the ingestion completed. It took about a little over 8 minutes to run through. Let's get to the fun part now. Let's do some searching. All right, let me go ahead and connect. This is, like I said, running on a Raspberry Pi. Here's the terminal for the Pi, and we're going to do some searches through this little simple UI that I put together. Denver. So I had no idea Denver sandwich is a thing. I found that while kind of running some queries in here on Wikipedia. Pretty interesting. You can see that came back in 18 milliseconds. Now I'm going to intentionally misspell something so I can show the typo tolerance and fuzzy matching features. Einstein Theroy, horribly misspelled, still comes up with the match that we're looking for. Let's try some things out of order. Park Jurassic Park. Python Pro. How bad can we misspell this? Programming. Okay, both misspelled. Still comes up. It's really hard to intentionally misspell things. If you've ever been an actor, maybe you are a fan of Shakespeare. Even if you don't know how to spell his name, there you go. All right, so as you can see, even though this is like a puny little Raspberry Pi, it can still run Searchcraft, and it's, like milliseconds response time. So thanks for watching.